It's Matt Easton, the founder of Leasing University. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the 3 F's system for handling complaints and handling objections. Why am I talking to you about the 3 F system? Well, Patty Anders in Wichita Falls wrote in, she's frustrated. Oh, I get it, Patty, I'm with you, and a lot of us are with you, and that's why I want to make this video for you, Patty, and anyone else who's dealing with having to ask for an unusually high security deposit. If you feel like you're having to ask for an unusually high security deposit, I want you to comment below. Or if you've got another complaint or objection that you're having to face that you feel like, hey, our community is a little bit different than the rest of the industry, I want you to put that in the comments below. Please put it in comments below. But before I get to Patty's question, I want to congratulate Roxanne Anders in New Jersey. This is your certificate. This is your credential for your certified leasing consultant. I just want to get it on video because I know, Roxanne, you have been awesome, and I want to personally sign your certified leasing consultant credential right here. This is going out today. Listen, if you guys want to be a certified leasing consultant, please check out leasinguniversity.com. You can get your certified leasing consultant credential in as early as 30 days. Hey, if you want to put in the work, you can get your credential in 30 days over at leasinguniversity.com. You can actually get it in less than 30 days. I am so excited to see you get your certified leasing consultant credential. But let's talk a little bit, get this out to her today because I want her to have it by the end of the week. Let's talk a little bit right now about the 3 F system for dealing with that ultra high security deposit like they've got out there in Wichita. Okay. 3 F's. What are the 3 F's? Maybe a lot of you already know about the 3 F's. Maybe a lot of you are on Leasing University and you're like, wow, I like this system. Or maybe you like one of the hundreds of other ways you can deal with having a high security deposit over on leasinguniversity.com. 3 F's. Let's say your prospect is named Dave and the security deposit is so high and he's complaining about it. Dave, I get it. I'm with you. I understand how you feel about the high security deposit. A lot of the folks that live here at the community have felt the same way. What they found is, although the security deposit is a bit high, it really doesn't make that much of difference to them in the long run. And a better apartment community is typically going to ask more for a security deposit. And it's better to pay that little bit higher security deposit and be living in the right community than to go and sign a lease at a place that's not that type of right community that's going to be charging less of a security deposit. It's better to get exactly what you want, and typically a better apartment community is going to come with a higher security deposit. Does it make sense to go and sign the lease while we still have this unit available? Those 3 F's will help you not only in a security deposit situation, but in many other situations as well. And remember what those 3 F's are. They're feel, felt, and found. I understand how you feel. First and foremost, you always want to be in agreement with your renter. I understand how you feel about us asking for a higher security deposit. A lot of our renters, a lot of the people that live here in the community felt the exact same way as you. Let them know, hey, it's not out of scope the way that you're feeling. What they found is it's not that big of a deal, and better apartment communities are going to be asking for a higher security deposit because it's a nicer community. Does it make sense to go sign the lease? Does it make sense to get this security deposit now so we can lock this home down for you? You are going to find that when you're framing it in feel, felt, and found, you are going to defuse that objection, and often the case is especially with something like a security deposit, you can turn the tables and turn that objection, turn that complaint into a strength. Now you're presenting the property, now you're presenting the apartment as something that's a little bit more exclusive, a little bit higher quality. Am I asking all of the owners out there to raise your security deposit amounts? Absolutely not, because the Legion of Leasers would kill me. But what I am telling you is, when you're faced with a challenge like that, I don't want you to make this an excuse. I don't want you to make this a reason for why you're not getting leases. I want you to take this challenge head on. I want you to have the right attitude, and I want you to practice feel, felt, and found. I think you're going to find that you're going to still be able to get the lease. Don't have that attitude in your head of, our security deposits are so terrible, I'm never going to get the lease. Because if you have that attitude, if you think that you're not going to get the lease, chances are you're not going to get the lease. And if you haven't been over to Leasing University, I want to get you your credential. I want to make you certified. I want to help you become a certified leasing consultant. Please check us out over at leasinguniversity.com. If you want to call the office, you can call us anytime at 888-735-7451. And if you're not ready to become a certified leasing consultant, that's fine. Please subscribe to the channel though, because here on the YouTube channel, I'm going to be giving you all kinds of tips on how to become a better leasing consultant. And when you're ready to be the best leasing consultant that you can be, check us out over at leasinguniversity.com. Until the next video, I'm Matt Easton, your friend in leasing and life. Be great and get those leases.